Okay, so we are in the Mirage. That's the front door. That's the peephole. We've got the big mirror here all the way down. The bathroom is there. The closet here. And we've got stuff in there, but it's a nice size closet. Does it have a, yep, it's got the ironing board and the iron. Here's your first dresser. Okay. There's a light. There is your room, a door to another room. Oh, okay. And then here is your overview of your room. Here's your bed section. Don't mind all the snacks. And the clock radio. I brought this mask. This is not a mask from, oh, there we go. Check that out.
Cool.
You too?
73.
You three? It turned on the lights over the bed. And I was thinking all the lights were on. Okay, here's this side. I think this side looks really nice. That is a mini bar. That is not a refrigerator. I have a story to tell you about that, so stick around to the end. You're gonna want to hear it if you're staying here. All of the snacks that are gonna cost you money, courtesy to our guests, available for purchase. Glasses. You've got one of these little pouches. This is the MGM, you know, thing that they do. If you watched the room tour from the MGM, then you saw this, but this one has different items. We've got hand sanitizer gel, and we've got a couple different kind of masks. Hey, I like these. They're actually Mirage masks. How cute. Then the little Mirage pack. I left my thing like this in the MGM. I didn't have a use for it. You've got pantry delivery. Ooh, press on your phone, order it to your room. Nice. More drawers. Okay, let me move my stuff. Oh, this room has 2 phones. I don't know why you need 2 in the small room, but you've got 2 phones. This is nice. You've got all of the outlets for the TV right here on the desk. So my kids are here with me, so when they're ready to hook up their gaming system, they can hook it up to the TV. And then you've kind of got a double desk here. Okay, now let's go ahead. I'll show you guys the bathroom before I show you the view. I do have a special surprise for the view. So let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's a tiny little thing here. So I'm in my BJs, so don't look at me today. But here is the little essentials. You've got your little toiletries here. This mirror is not as grand as some, and that's just because it's cute, but it's kind of messed up down there. You do have this one, which you guys know I love when I get myself together. Ooh, and this one is lit. I like that. I'm gonna be using that. A couple more cups, glasses. All right, let's look behind. You gotta go behind it. You have to close the door, okay, to look at the shower. All right, now this room wasn't cheap. I'll put the pricing up to show you guys. All right, here we go. Here's the tub, what we're working with here. Yeah. All right, let's go check out the view. Okay, we've got a window that's not so clean, and it's from the inside again, kind of like the MGM. Again, that room tour was linked. Palazzo, Venetian. There's the Palazzo. There's the Venetian. Treasure Island and Wynn. Okay, these windows are like blowing me. It's disgusting looking. We've got the Link and Harrah's over here. We've got Casino Royale, the Denny's. All right, and now time for the surprise.
I knew it. That's so cool. Oh, guys. Oh. There's a water
If you guys
slide.
open the window, you can actually hear it, but I don't want you guys right by the window.
It looks like a dragon breathing fire.
Can you guys
There
hear
is
the
a
music?
dragon breathing fire. No, but I can hear the shoo when the dragon comes out. It feels water too.
Oh, this window is disgusting, man.
Someone literally wrote Peter on it, Mom.
Wrote what?
Peter with their finger right there.
Scared you? Okay, so I told you guys that I would tell you about the little mini fridge situation. So, when we were in the line, when we checked in last night, so I checked in with a debit card, and she said there's going to be a $200, hold on your card, which is fine. But I just thought it was weird because I know that different hotels, especially back, a long time ago, used to have policies with debit cards. But since I've been in Vegas, but not even since, way before, I've never had problems, I went to Planet Hollywood. There wasn't even a deposit put on my stuff. There's a few places, or it'll be $100 or something like that. So I thought the 200 was odd. And then the fact that she plainly said, oh, it's because you're using a debit card. I literally have stayed at, in total, probably half these hotels on the Strip, and I've never been told that. I remember, because I'm older, I got told that a long time ago, but whatever, I don't care. It's not like I didn't have $200. So she said, oh, we're going to put $200 on here because it's a debit card. I have credit cards, but I didn't bring it because, like I said, it has not been a problem. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So that was whatever. Just remember, $200 for Mirage. And then she didn't say, oh, do you think you may want to use the mini bar? She didn't say that. She said, oh, and don't touch the mini fridge. I'm like, huh? She said, yeah, we're going to lock it because you're using a debit card. But if you touch it or try to open it, you're going to be charged because you're using a debit card. She said that like 4 times. So, yeah, I thought that was, I don't give a fuck if that's your policy. I thought that was stupid. Okay. You guys been watching some of the latest hotels I stayed at. I'll show you when they have a mini bar, mini fridge, whatever. And I'll be like, oh, I'm not going to use that. But in the morning when I'm thirsty, I've been using it and clearly paying for anything that I touch or use. But yeah, that's what she said. So I'm like, okay, I don't like that. I don't know about the Mirage. I don't know. Those 2 little things threw me all the way off. If you're going to come, of course, use your credit card. Don't use your debit card because clearly it's frowned upon. Okay. Yeah. So just, with so many places to stay, little things like that are just going to throw me off. If I had to stay here again, I would just know, hey, make sure you bring a credit card. Don't use your debit card. But so many other places to stay, I probably won't do that. Okay, so I just walked around, did a nice little walking tour, went and got some coffee. If you guys want to see that, because it is pretty nice down there. There's a plane. if you guys want to see that, make sure that you watch the next video, because it'll be in the We Stayed at Every Hotel on the Strip video about the Mirage. My kids are up getting dressed and stuff. It's the morning. I just wanted to come back in and say I enjoy myself here. I like this hotel. I don't know if I'll stay here again, but I'll definitely visit. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's the Mirage. It's nice. Of course, it's definitely worth it. I'm just really particular when there's so many other places to stay. I'm going to stay where I feel the most welcome and at home. So again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I mean, we're just slashing all these hotel rooms out here, so let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.